In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Gamma I. If you want Gamma to create content in a specific language, the key is to tell it directly in your prompt. Instead of hunting for an account-wide language switch, you'll guide the AI at the moment you generate your presentation, document, or page. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, go to the Gamma website in your browser and sign in so you land on your workspace. From the main dashboard, look for the Create New button. It's typically easy to spot and opens the flow for starting something from scratch. Next, choose Generate with AI. This brings up the prompt field where you describe what you want Gamma to make. This is the most important part for changing the language of your output. In the prompt itself, explicitly state the language you want. Put the language right up front or tie it clearly to the task so there's no ambiguity. For example, you could write, create a presentation in Filipino about financial literacy, or write this ebook in Spanish. When you do this, Gamma uses your instruction as the source of truth and produces the content in that language from the start. A few tips to get consistently strong results. Be specific about the language and, if relevant, the regional variant, tone, or audience. You can say things like European Spanish, neutral Spanish, or beginner-friendly Filipino, and even add guidance such as use simple vocabulary suitable for high school students. If you're providing source material in another language, add a note like translate key points into Spanish and write the full output in Spanish. To prevent any mixed language results, include a line such as use only language for all text. Placing this instruction at the beginning of your prompt can help the model prioritize it. Once you submit your prompt, Gamma will generate the content in the language you chose. Review the output and scan headings, body text, and callouts to confirm everything matches your instruction. If you spot a stray term or section in another language, refine your prompt with a clear directive and try again. Iterating with a short follow-up instruction like keep the entire presentation in Filipino usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. Go to Gamma, create something new, choose Generate with AI, and specify your target language right in the prompt. With that one clear instruction, Gamma will generate your content entirely in the language you need.